My name is Cody Nolden. I am a technical architect for USAA, focused on AI and machine learning. Sometimes I refer to technical architecture as the technical conscience of USAA, where we help make sure that the business's priorities are reflected in our technology solutions. One thing with the rise of generative AI that everybody is collectively realizing now is the importance of model governance. It was something that we have been knowing about for a long time in the financial services industry. Model risk management is a big thing. And now we're seeing that as AI is starting to permeate to everything that businesses are doing, they're realizing that model governance is an important aspect of that. Generative AI is taking up a lot of oxygen in the conversation right now. That doesn't mean that predictive ML is not important. It still has a really important role to play. And so helping executives as they are trying to allocate investments to make sure that they don't forget about the role of predictive ML and how it can tackle certain problems that maybe generative AI is not so good at. But at the same time, we have to keep an eye on the future, and generative AI, while it doesn't do something today, never turn your back on it. Have to always be aware of where it's going tomorrow. I love the opportunity to have an impact on the future. Some of the decisions that I make as an architect have wide-ranging impacts for the years to come at USAA. It's exciting to be a part of the decision-making that helps chart the course forward.